triple six. Fuck, I got him horrified. Run up on him with the stick, bust it till the morning time. Drill a nigga like a little socket, yeah, it's turtle time. Shells on top of shells, running pockets like a suicide. I'm in love with the bangers, yes, boy, be spoiled in a fucking Topanga. If you run up, I change it. Got my gun up from sun up to sun up. I never knew another motherfucker who could ride against me. Whole lot of money from the Bible with me, nigga tried to get me. Ride a Bentley to the side of kitty, nigga, act a fool. Hollering at the moon, keeping vipers as pets. I'm hella picky with the bitches that I like to select. But if you got peas or the cookies, then we might connect. And you'll get your ass changed like your diaper was wet. You run up on us with that boy. Two cannons strapped on my shoulder like a Blastoise. What the fuck was that noise? When the Glock pop, nigga, non-shots to your body, now you fool for the earthworm. Chop, chop, move fast when I come up in that ass. I'ma blast, I'ma book, I'ma let it burn. School, nigga, kill shit. Hit the kill switch. Kill Bill shit. Not the one you wanna deal with. Fuck school, nigga, kill shit. Hit the kill switch. Kill Bill shit. Not the one you wanna deal with. Not the one you wanna deal with, nigga. Not the one you wanna deal with, bitch. Not the one you wanna deal with, not the one you wanna deal with.
Well, I be posted with a selective view. Pop that pussy, that's a nice ass view. My homies are real and you really ain't true. Met a bitch by the bay, never say I do. She wanna get with me, she wanna be in my city. Shit, I don't even know her like that. So get back for your ass, get that tap of the pack and I never do slack.
Phone shouted, be dancing like they need a pole. All my niggas shoot, bitch, like they need a go. Bought 2 phone, 2 custom stoves, so I fucked it twice. See my nigga face the blood, you can't even face it.
I say bitches live through ya, bitch. No need for no rumors, no need for no losers. My bitch cool, but I'm cooler. 55 pussy, yo cougar. Oh my God, I really can't breathe. Walk over me, I'ma break your knees. Miami is where I be.
And bitches bump a clean the bleach, need a Zapato just. And if a nigga try to run off in and leave his ass looking like a hollow pants, by the lead singer, went solo and got made. And keeping up with Kim K, the only time you seen Ye.
School nigga, kill shit. Hit the kill switch. Kill Bill shit. Not the one you wanna deal with. School nigga, kill shit. Hit the